Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about celery. Okay, I consume a tremendous amount of celery. One thing you want to do is always consume organic celery because the conventional celery has like 19 different pesticides. So do organic. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's a lot better. You can dip it in nut butters, hummus, salad dressing. So celery has an active ingredient that creates some really cool effects. Okay, the name of that chemical is 3N-butyl phthalate. Like you really wanted to know that, right? So this is what this chemical will do. Lower blood pressure, decrease muscle spasm, decrease fluid. It's like a natural diuretic. So if you have edema or swelling in your ankles, you consume celery before bed and you wake up and the swelling will be gone. Great if you have intestinal gas, constipation. It will increase testosterone. It will help you relax and improves your sleep quality. So at the last meal of the day, just top it off with some celery, with some peanut butter. It can help dissolve gallstones and kidney stones. Improves arthritis, ulcers, gastritis. So if you have any of these and you want to address some of these, I would recommend at least 3 stalks a day for several weeks. All right, thanks for watching. So I want to know what you're interested in as far as a future video. Click the link down below and share some ideas. I want to hear.